Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming at you with another tutorial on Excel. Today we're going to be doing conditional formatting by due dates that are past today's date. For example, let's say that the due date was passed and you've either missed a payment or someone's missed a payment to you. You want to make those cells stand out some way, so what we're going to do is go ahead and do that right now. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and highlight the range of cells you want to do. So in this case, we want to do A2 through A13. Go and click on conditional formatting. Go to new rule. Click on that. That will bring up your options for other rules. And you're going to do format only cells that contain. And the cell value, you're going to change that to less than. You can select anything, but for this example, we're going to do less than. And then you're going to enter in the basic formula of today. T-O-D-A-Y. And then open close parentheses. Select OK. Nothing happened. Uh-oh, I didn't do it right. So what you're going to do is come back in here, or if you want to change anything too, you can always come to Manage Rules. Click on that. If you see the mistake, let me know in the comments down below, but as you can tell, we are missing the No Format Set. So you're going to double click on that to open it back up. Go ahead and hit the Format button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make it bold and change the color to red, so then that kind of alerts me that there's something emergent going on. You can also select other effects such as like underline, strike through, or anything else along those lines. But once you're done with that, just go ahead and hit OK, and then hit OK here, and then apply. And as you can tell, all of the cells that are past today's date is the 10th of December of 2022 that I'm recording this. So you can tell that all those dates are highlighted, the ones that are prior to today's date, and the ones that are not highlighted. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do feel free to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.